What is up, guys? Simon from SmartSimj Graphics. Welcome to tutorial number 4. And in this tutorial, guys, we're going to do more of output and input. Okay, as promised from my first tutorial. Okay, so go ahead and open your Visual Studio. Let's create a new project. Choose the console app. Okay, hit next. Okay, give it a name. So say this is our fourth tutorial. So say input, say tutorial 04, input output. Okay, choose the location where you want to store your project and hit create. Yep, our editor is ready. Okay, so let's remove these comments. Okay, yeah, so I said we're going to do more of input and output. Let's import this one so that we don't have to type this thing over again and again. Okay, yeah, so as mentioned, this is our starting point of our program. Yeah, say cout, print out, as in print line or print out whatever is inside this double quotes. Okay, yeah, so when you run that, okay, you can notice that here there is hello world, but now here there is this /n. Okay, so I'll tell you what that means. This /n is a special character. Call them escape characters. Okay, /n meaning next line. Okay, from our output, let me do this again. You can see that there's hello world, then there's a new line here. Okay, but let me show you if I can remove that new line. Okay, wait, yeah, so it should be like that, and then hitting the debug button. Okay, let's see what is going to happen. Yeah, so there's hello world and there's no new line. Okay, so that /n is for a new line. Maybe you want to start, maybe you want to be outputting maybe other ways, but there's no space here. Okay, there's no new line for, so maybe if you intend to output something, it will come here. But if that's /n, the output could be just below the hello world. Let's try that. Okay, cout again. Let's say programming is fun. Yeah. From here we won't have a new line, so let's see what the output has for us. Okay, yeah, say hello world, programming is fine. Yeah, so this is not good, it's not a good practice, but if you can do this, if you can put the /n, we have ordered stuff. Okay, so it's going to say hello world, and then below it it's going to say programming is fun. Yeah, Say hello world, programming is fun. Yeah. So that's how you wanna print out text. Okay. You don't wanna stack them. Yeah, like close to each other. Okay. Yeah. So another special character maybe could have the /t, which means the tab. The tab is just 8 blank lines of code, maybe by default. Yeah. You know what? Maybe say Visual Studio. Okay. And when you want to debug, you can hit the F5, which is the shortcut for debug. Yeah. And see Hello World tab, and then Visual Studio, and then programming is fun. Yeah. And forgotten this /n. Yeah. So that's how you output text, and there is another method which you can output text using the same cout and say cout, but now instead of immediately terminating the line, you can add 2 less than signs and then say end line. Okay, this is end l, not end one. No, it's end l, and then you terminate. And this end line will add another line to add another line like the /n. Okay, so to see that, let's add something to output. Okay, programming is the best job you can have. Okay, let's see what our output is going to look like. Okay. But yeah, so it's hello world tab, and then Visual Studio new line. Okay, programming is fun. This one, programming is fun. Programming is the best job you can have. Okay. As you can see, after programming is fun, we have a new line. It has started on a new line. Yeah, so that's how you can output everything on the console. Okay. Yeah. Maybe you want to print out numbers. Say 54. Okay. That's not a problem. Let's just append a new line here. Yeah, 54. Yeah, so it's easy, guys. You can add 54 plus 100, whatever you wish. Okay, say 154 here. Yeah, so basically that's how you input and output text on the console. Yeah, so Simon Jana signing off. Please share my videos. Don't forget to subscribe, and please get the code online.